Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things faster on Vinted. First, optimize your listings with excellent visuals and comprehensive details. Take clear, well-lit photos from several angles, highlighting any unique features or minor flaws. Craft detailed descriptions, including the brand, size, condition, and precise measurements. Also, choose the most accurate categories and add up to 5 relevant hashtags to ensure your items are easily discoverable by potential buyers. Next, implement strategic pricing to attract more buyers. Research similar items on the platform to ensure your price is competitive and fair. Consider offering a small discount, perhaps 10 to 15%, for buyers who purchase multiple items, encouraging larger sales. Additionally, explore Vinted's bump feature. For a small fee, it can significantly increase your item's visibility to a wider audience, leading to quicker sales. Engaging effectively with potential buyers is crucial for faster sales. Always respond promptly and politely to any questions or offers you receive, ideally within a few hours. Be open to reasonable price negotiations, aiming for a fair agreement that satisfies both parties. Providing excellent customer service throughout the process will not only secure the current sale, but also encourage positive feedback, building your reputation and attracting future buyers. Finally, ensure a smooth post-sale experience with efficient shipping and thoughtful presentation. Aim to ship your items quickly, ideally within 1 or 2 business days of the purchase, to keep buyers happy. Package everything neatly and securely, using appropriate materials to prevent any damage during transit. Adding a small, personal thank you note can also leave a lasting positive impression, encouraging repeat business and 5-star reviews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.